Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to share an item on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you found an item on OfferUp that you're interested in buying and you want to share it to a friend or family member. How do you actually go ahead and share an item on OfferUp? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to, then you're going to click on an item that you want to share. So we'll take this Pokemon card for example. Once you're on the item that you want to share, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on the share icon next to the heart, and there you have it. You can now airdrop this, message it, or send it to one of your contacts, or you can copy it like that, and then if we open up our notepad and paste it, you'll see that it now has a pre-built message which includes the share link to that specific item. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share an item on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.